Hi y'all, I'm Tammy. Welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. Here I do DIYs, paper crafting, product reviews and unboxings, and so much more. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified on all my new videos. This all helps my channel to grow. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you. I'm happy to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And as always, comments are welcome, and I love to hear from y'all. So here's what I've got for you today. This is a Grove unboxing, and these are some products that I've got, and I'd like to share them with you. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, I want to welcome y'all to another Grove unboxing. So we're just going to get right on into this. See, they've got some new tape they've used because they've been showing this new product line they're carrying now called Roven, a makeup line, or I should say a beauty line that they carry now, so you should check that out. And if you don't know what Grove is about, it's all healthy products, all natural, vegan friendly, and you can find out more about it if you go on their website, which I'll have a link down below so you can check it out. Recyclable. So here's everything in the box, and we'll move the box over and take out everything one by one. Okay, so the first item we've got the Mrs. Meyer's Iowa Pine. I believe I got the entire gift set. Yes, I got the cleaner, the hand soap, and of course the dish soap. Smell this and see what it smells like, because I've not gotten this scent yet. Okay, that smells nice. It's not real piney, so that's good. I was wondering, I've heard some people say, yeah, it didn't smell real piney. Yeah, it's just a nice holiday scent. Wow, that soap, this hand soap, ooh, wow, now that really is strong. That smells great. So this smells really good. I think I'm going to enjoy that. So I'm glad I got this collection here to try for the holidays and winter time, because I was needing some that. Now this is the first one. I love the lavender scent, and I've been wanting to try their body wash and body lotion. I have severe dry skin in wintertime, and I do, like I said, I do love lavender. Yes, I love that scent. It smells so good. So I'm really hoping this is going to help my severe dry skin this winter. So I did get this scent in lavender. So we got that. Got some Grove recyclable plastic trash bags. There's 20 of them. And these have the draws. I didn't order enough this time. Usually I get a freebie of something, but apparently I did not order enough. this is some of their, oh, and I got a, well, I guess you could say this was kind of free because this came with this Iowa Pine collection. So I guess you could say this was kind of free. Oh, wow. I can't wait to burn that. That smells wonderful. So I did get a free candle because it came with that Mrs. Meyer's Iowa Pine collection. Then I got the Grove Room Spray, which I've been noticing. Okay, I don't know. This is Winter Woods. It doesn't smell like I thought it would smell. I wonder how the soap smells. Smells a lot better. I was noticing my spray bottle, the first one I got would not spray at all. They did send me a new spray bottle and that one leaks. So I'm not real crazy about the Grove glass spray bottles. I tell you, I've had 2 of them. They're just not working right. I noticed I'm not the only one that's complained about them. So I don't know how I'm going to use this now. I don't even have a oil diffuser. I'm going to have to get one to be able to use that, I guess. If this will even work in a diffuser. So then I'm going to have to see. Because I know if I put it in that spray bottle, it's going to leak everywhere. Oh, and this came with my bath set. I'm just everywhere. This came with Mrs. Meyer's body wash and lotion. So I got a free refill with that. And then I bought these Grove coconut scrubber sponges. Usually I get the other kind. This time I picked up this kind. You can actually see some of the coconut pieces in these. I wanted to try it and see what the difference in the 2 different types of sponges were. Just to see what the difference they cost us. And then I picked up some 7th generation disinfectant cleaner, multi-purpose cleaners. One for the bathroom, and of course, then one for kitchen, and they're both lemongrass citrus scent. So kills cold and flu viruses, it says. So I knew we'd need that for the winter. And I have no idea how to get the lid off to even see what it smells like. So I hope it smells nice and not being too overpowering, because I know some of those bathroom cleaners are still very powerful. But anyway, here is my entire order. That's everything I got. Hopefully they slip in there. I don't see that this time. But anyway, didn't get a whole lot. Just got what I absolutely needed this time. And like I said, I did want to give this a try. 2 new winter items here. So remember, the link is below. You want to go try their items out or just check out their website. Great website. You can get a free gift to start out with. So that's always great. And you're not committed to anything. So yeah, check them out. And like I said, you can use that link down below. And remember to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified on other videos that I make. And I thank y'all for watching. watching. Have a blessed day. Also remember to share. Thanks again, and see you again soon.